What if I told you that you could completely transform your bathroom for just $50? Sounds unbelievable, right? But trust me, I did it, and the results were amazing. No one believes it's a DIY project because it looks like something you'd see in a high-end design magazine. Are you curious to know how? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I pulled off this incredible transformation using a simple painting hack that anyone can do, and it won't cost you a fortune. Stick around because you won't want to miss the step-by-step process that turned my plain, dull bathroom into a stylish, modern space. Let's dive right in. 1. The before dull and boring wall. Let me take you back to how my bathroom looked just a few days ago. It was, well, pretty boring. The walls were this dull, light beige color. Honestly, it felt more like a waiting room than a space I actually wanted to spend time in. The paint was flat, no shine, no texture. Just one color from top to bottom. And to be honest, it made the whole room feel small and lifeless. When I looked at it, I just thought I need a change. I felt stuck, like I couldn't really do anything with the space without spending a lot of money. And let's be real, who has the time or the budget to spend hundreds on a big bathroom remodel? Tiles? Way too expensive. Wallpaper? Too complicated. Hiring someone? Not in my plans. So, there I was, staring at these plain walls, wishing I could just do something different without breaking the bank. That's when I decided to look for a cheaper option that I could actually do myself. I wasn't sure what I would find, but I knew I had to try something. And then, I stumbled across this painting hack. At first, I thought it was too good to be true. A simple $50 project that could transform the entire wall? Could it really work? I wasn't sure, but the idea seemed promising. And here's the kicker, it didn't require any special skills. Just basic painting tools and a little creativity. That was enough to get me excited to give it a shot. I mean, what did I have to lose? The walls already looked bad, so why not try something new and see what happens? Now, I was ready to dive in. I started making my list, got the supplies, and planned everything out. I'll walk you through the whole process in a minute. But first, let me show you exactly what I was working with. This plain, lifeless bathroom wall that needed help. Stay tuned, because what happened next is pretty wild. 2. The secret supplies, what you'll need. Alright, let's talk about the supplies I used for this $50 painting hack. When I first saw the idea, I couldn't believe how simple the list was. No crazy tools or expensive materials. Just a few things that anyone can easily grab. And the best part? You probably already have most of them at home. First, I got some basic wall paint. You'll want a color that matches your style, but I went with a soft, neutral tone because I wanted the texture to pop. It was only about $15, and I didn't need a lot, just one coat for the base. Next, here's where the fun starts. The magic tool that made this hack work was something super unexpected, a plastic grocery bag. Yes, you heard me right. I know it sounds strange, but trust me, it works wonders. You'll also need a paintbrush to apply the base coat, and a small tray to hold your paint. These were the only other tools I used, and they didn't cost more than $10. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You'll also need a simple sponge or rag, something to help you create texture. And that's it. Can you believe that's all I needed for this transformation? No expensive brushes, no fancy stencils, just a few basic things that cost next to nothing. The total for everything came to about $50. And the best part? This hack didn't require any crazy skills or experience. If you can paint a wall, you can do this. I'll show you exactly how to use these supplies step by step in the next part. But first, let me show you the fun part. The painting begins now. Let's dive in. 3. Step-by-step process, starting the transformation. Now that we've got everything we need, it's time to dive into the fun part, actually transforming the wall. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each step, and I promise it's easier than it sounds. Step 1. Prep the wall. The first thing I did was prepare the wall. This part is really important because it makes sure the paint sticks well. I started by cleaning the wall with a damp cloth to remove any dust or dirt. This took just a few minutes, but it made a big difference. Then I taped off the edges around the wall. You want clean lines, so make sure the tape is stuck well to the wall. You don't want any paint getting where it shouldn't. It sounds like a lot of work, but honestly, it's quick and easy. Step 2. Apply the base coat. Once the wall was prepped, I applied the base coat of paint. I used a regular paintbrush to cover the entire wall with a nice, even layer. This coat is the background for the texture we're going to add later, so it's important to get a smooth finish. It doesn't have to be perfect because we'll be adding layers over it. I made sure to cover every part of the wall, and once I finished, I let it dry for about an hour. It's key to let it fully dry before moving on to the next steps. Step 3. Get your magic tool ready. Now comes the fun part. The secret to this whole hack is using a plastic grocery bag. I know, it sounds strange, but it works like a charm. First, I took the bag and scrunched it up in my hands. This is going to create the texture we need. Next, I dipped the bag into a little bit of the paint. Don't soak it, just lightly coat the bag with paint. Step 4. Texture application. Here's where the magic happens. I gently pressed the bag against the wall and started tapping and dabbing it all over. The idea is to create a soft, textured effect. It's like a mini stamp. You'll see the design forming right before your eyes. I made sure to vary the pressure a little to get some different textures, which added depth and made it look more realistic. The more you dab, the more it starts to resemble a fancy, high-end finish. As I worked, I kept moving the bag around, making sure to cover the whole surface. It didn't take long at all, maybe 20 minutes. But as soon as I stepped back, I could already see it coming together. The wall was starting to look completely different. I was honestly shocked by how easy it was. Now that the texture was done, I let it dry for another hour or so. The texture needs to set before you move on to the next layer. Trust me, the wait is worth it because the final result is going to blow you away. In the next part, I'll show you how it all came together and the big reveal. You won't believe the transformation. For the big reveal, the transformation. Okay, the moment I'd been waiting for was finally here. It was time to see the finished result. After waiting for the texture to dry, I stepped back and couldn't believe what I was looking at. The wall had completely changed. It didn't look like a boring, plain surface anymore. It looked amazing. The texture was so much more than I expected. The paint I applied with the plastic bag created this soft, almost luxurious feel on the wall. It wasn't just a regular paint job. It looked like I had hired a professional to do it. So if you're ready to transform a room in your home, why not give it a try? You'll be surprised at how something so simple can make a huge difference. Stick around, because in the next part, I'll share a few tips on how to keep the wall looking fresh and how to maintain that beautiful texture. 5. Maintaining the look, keeping your wall fresh. Now that the transformation is complete, you're probably wondering how to keep your new textured wall looking as fresh and beautiful as the day you finished. Don't worry, I've got you covered. The great thing about this DIY hack is that it's not only easy to do, but it's also super low maintenance. Tip 1. Keep it clean. The first thing I did after the wall was dry was make sure it stayed clean. It's important to dust it off every now and then. You can use a soft cloth or a duster to gently remove any dust or cobwebs. Just be careful not to rub too hard on the textured surface. We don't want to mess up all that beautiful texture we worked so hard on. A quick dusting every week or two will keep it looking neat. Tip 2. Be careful with water. Since it's in a bathroom, it might get a little steamy or damp sometimes. The good news is that this paint job is durable, but you should avoid spraying water directly on the textured wall. If water splashes on it, just wipe it off quickly with a soft cloth. This will help protect the paint from getting damaged or peeling over time. Tip 3. Touch-ups. Accidents happen, right? Maybe you accidentally brush against the wall, or something touches it and leaves a mark. No worries. This hack is easy to touch up. If you see any spots or areas that need fixing, just grab a little bit of the same paint, dip your plastic bag in, and lightly tap the area to blend it in. You won't even notice the repair. It's so simple to keep it looking perfect. Tip 4. Protect from high traffic. One more thing I learned is to be mindful of high traffic areas. Since it's a bathroom, it's important not to let the wall get too banged up. Be careful around the door or corners, where things tend to brush up against the wall. If you notice any areas getting scuffed up, a quick touch-up will do the trick. I hope these tips help you keep your bathroom looking beautiful. And remember, this hack isn't just for bathrooms. You can use it in any room where you want to add texture and style on a budget. Stay tuned, because in the next part, I'll share some other DIY hacks that can transform any space in your home without breaking the bank. 6. Why does this hack work? The magic behind the transformation. You might be thinking, how did this little $50 hack actually create such a big change? Well, let me tell you exactly why this painting trick works so well. It's not just about slapping paint on the wall, it's about texture, creativity, and making your space feel more luxurious without the hefty price tag. 1. Texture makes a huge difference. The biggest reason this hack works is because of the texture. A plain wall with one color can look flat and boring. But by adding texture, like we did with the plastic bag, the wall immediately feels more interesting. It adds depth and dimension to the room, making the space look bigger and more inviting. When light hits the textured surface, it creates shadows and highlights, which adds even more visual appeal. 2. Low cost, big impact. Another reason this hack works so well is because of how affordable it is. Normally, you'd think that creating a beautiful wall like this would cost hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. But for just $50, we turn a dull, plain bathroom into something with a whole new vibe. 3. DIY is empowering. A big part of why this hack is so effective is that you get to do it yourself. There's something really satisfying about taking a basic, boring space and transforming it with your own hands. When you put in the effort and see the results, it feels amazing. Plus, doing it yourself means you can make the space exactly how you want it. So, next time you're looking at a dull wall in your home and wishing for a change, remember, you don't need to spend a fortune or hire anyone to do it. With a few basic supplies, a little time, and some creativity, you can completely transform your space, just like I did with my bathroom. In the next part, I'll share some of my other favorite budget-friendly DIY projects that can instantly change any room in your home. Stay tuned. 7. Other budget-friendly DIY projects. More ways to transform your home. If you love the $50 painting hack, then you're in for a treat. There are so many other simple and budget-friendly DIY projects that can transform any room in your home. The best part? They're easy to do, cost next to nothing, and don't take up much time. Let's take a look at a few more ideas that will help you update your space without breaking the bank. 1. DIY floating shelves. Floating shelves are a great way to add storage and style to your room. They don't take up floor space, and they look super modern. You can easily create your own floating shelves with a few wooden planks, brackets, and some screws. All you have to do is measure your space, cut the wood to size, and attach the brackets to the wall. 2. Painted cabinets. If your kitchen or bathroom cabinets are looking a little worn, a fresh coat of paint can make a huge difference. You don't need to replace the cabinets, just paint them. Choose a color that fits your style and make sure to use a high-quality paint meant for cabinets. A couple of coats later, and your cabinets will look brand new. It's an easy way to give a whole room a makeover without spending a ton of money. 3. DIY fabric wall art. If you love art but don't have the budget for expensive pieces, fabric wall art is a perfect solution. You can buy some beautiful fabric that fits your room's colors and frame it. All you need is a simple frame. You can even use inexpensive frames from thrift stores. And you've got a unique, stylish piece of art. Fabric comes in so many colors and patterns, so you can totally customize it to match your decor. Final tips: keeping your DIY projects looking amazing for years. Now that you've learned how to transform your bathroom with this $50 painting hack, you're probably excited to dive into more DIY projects around your home. But before you go ahead and start a new project, let's talk about how to keep your hard work looking beautiful for years to come. After all, the goal is for your DIY projects to not only look great but also last. Here are some simple tips to ensure your creations stay in top shape. 1. Use quality materials. When you're doing DIY projects, the materials you use make a big difference. It might be tempting to go for the cheapest option, but investing a little extra in quality supplies can save you money in the long run. Whether it's paint, brushes, or wood, choose materials that are designed to last. This will help your projects look better and hold up longer, even with everyday use. For example, when I did the $50 painting hack on my bathroom wall, I made sure to choose a high-quality paint that was meant for bathrooms. It's more resistant to moisture, which helps keep the texture intact and prevents peeling. 2. Proper prep work. One thing I learned is that preparation is key. Whether it's sanding a surface before painting or cleaning the wall before applying your texture, taking the time to prep properly will ensure the results are flawless. For the painting hack, I made sure my wall was clean and smooth before applying the paint. This step helped the paint stick better and gave me that perfect texture I was after. 3. Follow instructions carefully. It can be tempting to rush through a project, especially when you're excited to see the final result. But it's important to follow the instructions carefully, especially if you're using new techniques. For the painting hack, I made sure to follow the steps exactly, from the type of paint to the way I applied it. Taking your time with each step will help you avoid mistakes and ensure a professional-looking finish. 4. Regular maintenance. To keep your DIY projects looking fresh, regular maintenance is key. This doesn't mean you have to constantly touch up every little thing, but it's a good idea to check in on your projects every few months. For my textured bathroom wall, I wipe it down to remove dust and make sure nothing has chipped. It's an easy way to keep everything looking nice without a lot of effort. 5. Protect your work. When you put so much effort into a DIY project, you want to protect it from wear and tear. For example, if you've painted a wall like I did, avoid putting heavy objects or anything sharp near the surface that could scratch it. For furniture makeovers, use coasters or placemats to protect the surfaces from spills. Little actions like these will go a long way in preserving your work. And there you have it, a stunning bathroom transformation with just a $50 painting hack. It's amazing how a simple, affordable project can make such a big difference. If you're inspired to try this for yourself, don't wait. Grab your supplies and get started today. And if you love this transformation, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly DIY hacks. Leave a comment below, try this DIY in your bathroom and tag me on social media. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, your dream bathroom is just one DIY project away.